You are watching One Time Golf.
One Time Golf International. And
One Time Golf in Espanol.
fucking comes through. Hong, big time. Calling him Big Time Hong.
And ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Season 2 of One Time Golf. We're here for the continuation of the real match at the Wynn, featuring Season 1 champ EZK, who's partnered with Hong, and they are taking on Johnny Par and Duda. And not a lot of blood drawn so far, but we have an $80 carryover heading into hole 5. All right, guys, we got a short par 5. It's only 125, plays about 120. This is an $80 hole.
Yeah, and then a KP, so potentially $100 hole. With the birdie, 120. Let's get it.
Now Duda. And this ball will settle on the front left of the green. Now let's go to EZK's player mic. And this ball will spin left and find the front of the green. And now we'll go to Johnny Par. And this ball heading towards the slope on the right. Let's see how he judged the contours. And judging by the crowd, I'd say good. Now let's go to Hong's player mic.
Kick left. Hit a rock. Hit a rock. Yes! Let's go. Get in the damn hole. Get in the hole. Hong, the man. Fucking comes through. Hong, big time. Calling him Big Time Hong. Johnny Par is devastated. Look at him.
And as you see the players approach the 5th green, you see EZK, Duda, and Johnny Par all on the front left of the green, but Hong is in there very close. Now Johnny Par for birdie. And he gave this one a great go, but it just comes up short. Now let's go to Duda.
Is it his time?
And now EZK trying to settle down this crowd, but he is not having a lot of luck as Duda has this place absolutely jacked.
I'm jacked to the tits!
So EZK taps in an anticlimactic birdie to have the hole, but what a putt from Duda.
Wow, Duda dropped a bomb. Carrying over. This is going to be a $100 hole coming up here. 6 holes is going to be a big one at the Wynn. All right, 6-hole approach shots here. $100 on the line.
And let's go to Johnny Par, who had the best approach out of he and Duda.
Good, Johnny.
Good ball.
Hit that fat. Just hit it fat, clean fat. In the waist area.
And now we go to EZK's approach shot and a very rare defense chant out here on the golf course.
And this tree goes full Dikembe Mutombo on EZK and swats down his hopes and dreams.
Not today.
And let's go to EZK, who had the best shot out of the bunker for he and Hong's third. Now Duda and Johnny Par putting for birdie to win the hole. And neither one is able to convert. Let's go to EZK putting for the tie.
Facing up and driving and smashing the rim. Clean up on aisle 5.
And so the sixth hole is halved with pars, and we now have a $120 carryover heading into hole 7. And Brian the caddy doing an excellent job taking care of the clubs today as he now mounts them and appears to be going in for the extra special treatment. And let's take a quick necessary break from the triple X rated action at the Wynn and go to the B-roll.
Number 9 at Prem. His specialty, one-legged shot.
Difficult bunker shot. I'm gonna make it look easy.
Yeah. Wow!
Oh, baby! Oh, yeah!
Wow!
Specialty, I told you. Make the difficult bunker shot.
And while Duda and Hong were playing golf in California, EZK teed it up down in San Jose del Cabo, Mexico at Club Campestre, a desert golf course with the ocean nearby, a beautiful setting, and EZK had the wedge game dialed in as we take a look at a couple of the highlights that would lead to tap-in birdies for EZK. And as we now take a look at those birdie putts, you could argue that they got into EZK's head as we now see him walking after his tee shot. What a pompous son of a bitch. And whether you love the prick or hate him as much as I do, you do have to give him credit. The man is pretty well traveled. Now let's get you back out to the Wynn.
All right, this is hole 7, $120 carryover. Beautiful par 3, big hole.
I'm not quite sure what the camera guy is looking at, but for those of you who cannot see, Duda just landed in the bunker.
Let's go to the tee box, Mike.
Yanked it. Ah!
And EZK has hooked this one right into the water. And number 7 at Wynn, so picturesque and beautiful. We're just going to let you listen in for a moment as Hong and Johnny Par tee it up. And so while Hong prepares to hit his tee shot here at the par 3, the producers have informed me that despite the fact that EZK's ball clearly met its end at the bottom of the lake, we have been notified that it did test positive for COVID 27 days ago, so this will count as an official government COVID death. Trust the science.
Right. Bunker?
Got too conservative on that.
Yeah. Well, you had to keep it dry. All right. This is The 7th hole, we got a big carryover, 120. Hong and I are in the bunker. Duda and Johnny Par are on the green, but they got a long putt for birdie.
And Hong had the best shot out of the bunker for he and EZK. Now let's go to Duda and Johnny Par for birdie. And these two putts look less threatening than an elderly woman carrying a Hello Kitty lunchbox. Now let's go to EZK for par.
Needed that one, baby. Let's go.
Is anybody going to win the skins?
No, I know. It's going to go all the way to 18. And John Michael's going to pass out from exhaustion.
Maybe.
So still no change on the leaderboard, but $140 carryover heading into hole number 8. Now EZK. And it is hammer time, folks. Duda. Grande huevos.
Large gonads.
All right, hole 8, par 5. This is a big hole, $140. Hong's going to try to hit a layup here. I'm going to go for the signature EZK driver off the mat. If Hong hits a good one.
And so Hong does his job. Now it's EZK's turn. And he absolutely blows it. And now EZK just trying to get off camera as quick as possible. And now we'll go to the second shot into this par 5 for Duda and Johnny Par. And Duda did the best out of the two, putting it in the greenside bunker. Now Hong. And a solid shot from Hong as he finds the green.
Look at this. How about it?
And now we go to Johnny Par, who looks a little perplexed by this bunker shot. Not a lot of green to work with. And this ball came out hotter than a 4-cheese lasagna fresh out of Granny's oven. Look out. Now Duda. And Duda unable to get out of the bunker. Now he'll just have to pick up his ball and can't even do that. Now he'll try again and oh my goodness. Duda having an absolutely terrible showing in the bunker. And now we'll go to Duda and Johnny Par putting for birdie. And DJ, how do these putts look?
Survey set.
And now it's Hong and EZK for birdie to win the hole.
Survey set.
And now EZK will have to clean this up for par to avoid another 3-putt.
We thought you guys were gonna choke.
Great 2-putt, man.
Yeah, good job. Well done.
And so the 8th hole is halved and neither team able to pull ahead here as we have a big carryover heading into number 9. Now let's check out a new segment called Hong's Story Time.
Got a big carryover coming up here. We're all the way to number 9. The only hole that was won was the first hole after EZK and I 3-putted. So, hey, this hole's worth 8 holes times 20 of $160. We gotta get it done here. EZK and I, we gotta get it done. We're giving them too many holes. They didn't make that one bomb on that par 3 to tie our birdie and save us, but hey, we got this.
And congratulations, you have just survived Hong's story time.
That is 3 in a row with the driver. Maybe we had it wrong the whole time.
So Johnny Par striped his, now we go to EZK. And EZK cuts the corner on this par 4 like a boss.
All right, 9th hole, $160. 7 carryovers in a row. It's a big hole. Johnny Par looks nervous.
Did you get this? The nerves.
Just a wee bit outside.
Duda. Fire Epico.
Epic fail.
Hong's gonna try to run this one under the tree and on the green. Ew, yeah.
Let's go to EZK's player mic.
Oh, great.
Yeah, no hook.
No hook at all.
Oh, that's a tough shot.
Where is it
Yeah.
better? Fuck. Oh, the door was open too.
And now we'll go dual screen for Duda and Johnny Par chipping for birdie. And Duda's one off the back of the green, but Johnny Par was only able to get this one about 25 feet from the hole left for par. Now let's go to Duda with the selfie stick cam watching EZK and Hong's third.
It's not going to do it.
Oh no. Hit the ground.
Good thing you put the camera right there.
And now we'll go dual screen for EZK and Hong as they attempt a long par putt. And EZK and Hong will have to settle for a bogey.
Didn't hit it. Knew it immediately.
Now Duda for par in the win.
Duda.
Now let's go to Duda's player mic.
Never cease to amaze.
Two of them, man. Two of them.
Wow,
2 big ones.
Never
Yeah.
cease to amaze me.
Woo!
This guy here, this guy right here, Brenton. Dude, he sandbags it, but he makes more fucking long putts for money than anybody. And he makes the short ones for money. And he also makes the medium ones for money.
But they have to be for
And I
money.
swear, out of our whole group, you've made more clutch putts than anybody. No doubt about it. I guarantee.
And if Johnny Par strokes Duda's ego any harder, it could be mistakenly classified as a hand job. He may want to tone it down just a little bit. But either way, with Duda's long par putt on number 9, Johnny Par and Duda are now up $180 apiece over EZK and Hong. And let's go back to the 9th green for one more look at Duda's big putt. And one more look, folks. You have to love Johnny Par's reaction as he almost pulls a hamstring back there celebrating Duda's big putt. And Johnny Par clearly enjoying the free ride on the back of Duda's putter. And that's going to wrap up the front nine at the Wynn. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the back nine of the Wynn coming up soon on One Time Golf.